Wings ICT Solutions. When it comes to advanced and most efficient technology solutions, we are your personal tech-savvy, innovative partner for ever-increasing sustainability and business growth. Wings ICT Solutions provides complete, integrated, intelligent digital solutions and transformations for vertical business sectors, focusing on the protection of the environment, utilities and transportation infrastructures, production and manufacturing, service sectors, and smart cities. Since 2012, our diverse, passionate, and highly skilled team of senior technology development strategists create new holistic business solutions to help you increase your company's efficiency and skyrocket your turnover. Wings ICT Solutions. From the ground to the cloud, we become your wings to fly.